Hello, this is Chris Brogel from Ross Controls. I am the Global Vice President of Safety Business Development. I've been with the company about 5 years, and I've been in the automation industry for 37 years, and I'm also a TUV functional safety expert. Well, with Ross being the global leader in fluid power safety technology, we have the widest portfolio of what we call safety solutions for fluid power that can help meet about any customer need for machines with fluid power, as well as the lockout, tagout solutions for those same machines. And it goes across pretty much all industries, including food and beverage and hazardous location and things like that many other people don't get into. Ross has the widest range in size of fluid power safety devices, ranging from 1/8 of an inch all the way up to 3.5 inch. And most of our competitors don't go much over 2 inches. So that heavy industry side and large equipment side is kind of a specialty of ours. We can scale solutions to meet the customer's needs, and we have a couple of tools to help customers in that selection process. We have the only fluid power safety selection tool in the industry. We also have the only what we call fluid power safety integration guides that show you how to wire, program, and implement and validate machine safety solutions. And so what this means to customers is they can reduce their design efforts, increase efficiency, and do it in a standardized way using the Ross suite of fluid power safety products.